Hello, I'm Dr. Michelle Newcomb and I'm the Unit Coordinator for this subject in the Masters of Social Work program at QUT called Child, Youth and Family Practice. This is a very heavy unit in terms of the amount of content, and for some people maybe even the type of content that we're talking about in this unit. So you need to keep up. So that means obviously doing the readings, which are primarily from the textbook, quite straightforward, but also lectures and tutorials are important for you to attend, and you'll need to be attending those to be able to complete the assessment. More details about the assessment can be found in the left-hand tab. Under assessment, there's videos, instructions, etc. This unit is also very dense because in social work, the area of working with children, the area of child safety, child protection, the area of youth work, the area of family work and intervention, early intervention, they are all distinct areas of practice. So obviously within a 2 years master's program, we can't cover all of that in great detail. So this gives you a nice little taste of that. It will explain some of the theories behind those areas of practice, some of those approaches, and we'll also get to dabble in developing some skills in those areas. Now, I'm also aware that we've got some great students who have great practice experience. So I'm really hoping that you bring that practice knowledge into the classroom and that what you learn here maybe affirms some of that, it will challenge some of that, and it will add to some of that. For the rest of you who are fresh to human services and social work, try to keep up with those readings, with the ideas, and leave some of our assumptions maybe about what families should be like or what parenting should be like or how young people should act. We have to leave some of that at the door and come in with a fresh mind ready to be challenged. If you send me a question, you may find the answer on the discussion board, and that's under frequently asked questions. If you tap frequently asked questions, you'll come straight to a discussion board. So you can pop questions up there. I can also answer them for you as well. If you want to speak to me face-to-face, that's no problem at all, but contact me. We'll make a time to see each other. I don't have set consultation hours. I would prefer to do it that way as well. If required, we may have some drop-in sessions for students throughout the semester as well. So please don't come into the unit thinking all we're going to talk about is just child protection or child safety work. There's a lot more to working with families and young people and kids than just child safety or child protection work. And in fact, we might look at some of those structures and start to question how they're working and how they're working for vulnerable people in the community as well. So if you have any questions, feel free to pop them on the discussion board, pop me an email, come see me. I'd love to talk to you. There's a lecture every week. You'll be in a tutorial every week. Please come to those. Please engage and please enjoy it. I will enjoy teaching you. Thank you.